Hey everybody, I just want to do a quick review on this RHINO USA ratchet strap set. Um, First of all, they're made in the USA. These things are awesome. It was a company that was started in 2015, based out of California, but made right here in the USA, which is great. But this comes with 4 heavy-duty ratchet straps and 4 heavy-duty soft loops. And just kind of see here what they look like. One of the best things I think is on this tie down right here, it's got this. So there's been so many times I've been using a ratchet strap, and as I try to tighten it up, it falls off whatever it's hooked to. So I feel like that's a great design for this. But these things are amazing. You know, like it says right here, 1,736 pounds. And then the maximum brake strength is 5,208 pounds. These things also have a lifetime warranty. Yeah, lifetime warranty. Can't go wrong with a lifetime warranty with some ratchet straps. Highly recommend these. Great product, made in the USA.